Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. Bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, which is a prospect that turns many owners off. This sentence features an unnecessary comma between prospect and that. The phrase "that turns many owners off" is a restrictive clause, meaning it's essential to the meaning of the sentence. It wouldn't make sense to just say, bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, which is a prospect. As English grammar rules dictate that restrictive clauses should not be preceded by a comma, we can go ahead and mark this choice as incorrect. B. Bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, which is a prospect that turns many owners off. This choice features an incorrect usage of a colon. A colon is used to introduce an explanation, list, or example. What follows the colon here, which is a prospect that turns many owners off, is none of those. It's simply a continuation of the original sentence. This being the case, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, which is a prospect that turns many owners off. This choice is identical to the first choice, other than that it erases the unnecessary comma between prospect and that. With this comma out of the way, we are left with only our necessary comma, the one placed before the non-essential clause, which is a prospect that turns many owners off. This clause adds information, but isn't necessary to the meaning of the main clause. As nothing here goes against the requirements of standard written English, this is likely our answer, but let's keep an eye on it as we take a look at choice D. D. Bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, which is a prospect that turns many owners off. This clause features a semicolon mistake. A semicolon's main job is to separate two independent clauses, that is, two clauses that can grammatically stand on their own as sentences. Our first clause, bigger dogs must be checked as luggage, is an independent clause. It includes a subject, predicate, and expresses a complete thought. But our second, which is a prospect that turns many owners off, is not. It is a dependent clause and doesn't express a complete thought. As this choice features an incorrect usage of a semicolon, we can mark it as incorrect and mark choice C as our final answer.